What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you this. It's my Fidget cube that I made just a couple minutes ago, and it's completely made out of Lego. It's a Lego Fidget cube. Yes, it's pretty cool. So it's on a 4x4 base plate. It's a long time since I've made a Lego build. It's 4 1/3 Lego bricks high. So, let's see if I can get more light in this place. Yeah, it's a pretty cool Fidget cube. Oh, whoops. I can't even catch it because I can't even see where this thing is going. Ooh, caught it. Blind hand. The blind hand catching. So this is pretty cool. Let me show you what the features of it. So on this side, you have this like lever you can turn on and off. Like you can push it. And here you have this smooth surface here. You can relax your thumb to. And here you have this lever that you push. Here you have this wheel that you can turn around with one hand, or you could use another finger to use it. Now let me see if I can reach. There you go. And yeah, that's it. So those are on like the 4 sides, so we're gonna go to the bottom and the top now. So this top one is just another one of these smooth pieces, smooth tiles here. And then here is another smooth and rough tile. So there's 2 rough ones and then 2 smooth ones. So you can feel the smooth ones, you can feel the rough ones. And let me see if I can just take this thing, take the roof off and show you all the stuff inside. So okay, so this is the entire Fidget cube put apart. This is the base with all these bricks in it, and that's that smooth one that I showed you guys. And this is that lever switch thing. And this is the other smooth tile. This is another smooth tile. This is the lever. And this is the wheel. Whoop. Yeah, let me just put this thing back together. Yeah, so that's the Fidget cube, and as you guys know, I am horrible at making tutorials, so unfortunately this will not get a tutorial. But on the bright side, I reached a few thousand views like I told you in the last video. I'm very, very proud of that, even if I do have a tiny amount of subs. You know, it's fine for me. Like I said in one of my videos, the subs don't matter. It's just how much fun you're having on YouTube. So yeah, pretty cool. Might do a gaming video sooner or later on Roblox. And yeah, that's the Fidget cube, guys. And see you next time. Bye.